Hey everybody, let's see. Look what arrived the other day, UPS, a Danmoto exhaust. So we're going to check it out among all the other things for the Tiger XCX. So, alright, we'll check it out. Alright, unpacking. Paperwork. Nice catalog, Danmoto. Pipe. Nicely packaged, by the way. And the slip-on. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started, I think, downstairs on the bike, and then I'll just kind of show you what I can. Not an expert. Safety first, by the way. Alright, here we are. Stock exhaust on the Tiger XCX. So I think we're going to go ahead and do this bolt, and I believe this one, according to my friend Rick, and that's where I got this whole idea from. So a big shout out, Rick, to you on the Danmoto exhaust. So there we go. We're going to give it a go. But first, of course, you always have to do a sound check. Let's check it out. Alright, hold on a sec. Yeah, pretty quiet, as you can see, just stock sound, so we'll see the difference, hopefully. And of course, videos, you never know. Alright, we'll start the installation process. Alright, so basically I've loosened this one, and hopefully this thing will come right out. And of course I got this one, the bolts off the back right here, so let's see if she'll just slide out. Hopefully so. Alright, that's out. Pretty sure. There we go. Alright, there we go. Okay, here's the anchor. Alright, now for the Danmoto. Well, the first thing you notice about this Danmoto exhaust is that it's ridiculously light. So, alright, we're going to check it out. Hopefully it'll go on without a problem. Well, there she is. Snugged up this one, and again tightened up this one really good. So I think we're ready to fire her up. Alright, hold on, I'm going to start it up. Hopefully it sounds good. Well, there you go. I think I'm going to like it. And, oh, by the way, 5 pounds, pretty light, and it's pretty small. So, alright, that's it for the Danmoto exhaust. Thanks, Rick.